Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your budget with Citibank while abroad, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by checking your Citibank account settings before traveling. Make sure you enable international access on your account. Update your contact information to ensure you receive potential alerts. Notify Citibank of your travel plans through the online banking portal or mobile app. This helps prevent your account from being flagged for suspicious activity. Next, make sure to download the Citibank mobile app. This allows you to manage your budget efficiently while abroad. Once you arrive at your destination, monitor your spending closely. Refer to the app to track your transactions in real time. Use the budgeting tools available on the app to categorize your expenses. Set limits for different spending categories, like dining and entertainment. Consider using Citibank's global ATM network for cash withdrawals. Check any fees associated with international transactions before using your card. To manage currency conversion, opt for local currency payments when possible. Keep an eye on exchange rates through the app for informed decisions. Review your transaction history regularly for unexpected charges. Remember to set alerts for spending limits to stay on track. When making larger purchases, consider using your credit card for additional benefits. Before returning home, review your overall budget to gauge your spending habits. Finalize your travel expenses and adjust your budget for future trips accordingly. With these steps, you'll be equipped to manage your budget effectively with Citibank while abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.